Today, I'm delving into the fascinating world of breathing and its profound impact on our lung and brain health. Deep breathing isn't just for relaxation, it is a powerful tool for boosting our cognitive function and enhances our lung health and the brain health. When we take a slow, deep breath, we activate our parasympathetic nervous system, triggering that relaxed response in our body. This activation leads to an increased activity within the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for executive functions such as decision making, problem solving, and emotional regulation. From neuroscience perspective, the deep breathing engages the brain's default mode network. Additionally, deep breathing enhances neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form a new neural connections, which is crucial for learning and memory. As usual, stay curious, stay healthy. Signing off, Devi Sundar.